we move ahead to the top story tracking right now. The CBI has conducted 3D mapping in all 3 rooms of RG Kar, uncovering key evidence. Sources reveal that footprints of several suspects, including those believed to belong to Abhaya, have now been traced. Bloodstains were also detected during the mapping process. 2 chemicals were reportedly used to aid the investigation. So what we see right now, viewers, is that footprints of several suspects has been traced, and 3D mapping of 3 rooms of RG Kar is happening right now. The CBI is investigating all angles of the story. This includes polygraph tests. This includes investigation into vehicles. It also includes trying to understand and put together a sequence of events of what really happened on that fateful night of August 9th, when the brutal rape and murder of the Kolkata trainee doctor had led to a big storm. Viewers, remember that a shocking case like that, which happened on August 9th, has now become a campaign for justice, Justice for Abhaya campaign. The CBI trying to understand what happened and is trying to conduct a 3D mapping in RG Kar Hospital, 3 rooms. In 3 rooms. Remember that we have been seeing all these updates as the investigation continues. I want to go across to my colleague. Sandeep Ghosh is already in CBI custody. Rakshita is joining us live from our newsroom. At the same time, the CBI is trying to find all angles of the story. If you could take our viewers through what is happening right now. The CBI has conducted, like we told our viewers, polygraph tests. It's also been interrogating key characters. Take us through the latest coming in, Rakshita.
Well, Shivangi, the CBI is intensifying its probe, and after the forensic tests and, of course, the mapping, brain mapping tests, now we see that the 3D mapping is being done by the CBI in all 3 rooms of RG Kar. Remember, in August, there was the 3D mapping of the emergency ward of the RG Kar hospital that was already conducted, and now the 3 rooms of the RG Kar are being mapped by the CBI. And what's the latest update that we are getting is that in the results there are footprints of Abhaya also, as per sources that have been found, apart from the accused. Now, bloodstains have also been found in the 3D mapping. As per sources, viewers, the Abhaya's footprints and also bloodstains have been found in these 3 rooms. We do not know where are these rooms exactly, but these are, of course, part of RG Kar Hospital, and the CBI has found out that 2 types of that there were bloodstains and footprints of several suspects. That includes Sanjoy Roy as well. So this is, of course, a significant development coming in as far as the probe is concerned. Now, let us tell you that 2 types of chemicals are used as far as 3D mapping is done by the CBI, and this, of course, has led to some revelations. Remains to be seen, of course, what more the CBI can derive from the results of this 3D mapping at the RG Kar.
Absolutely, Rakshita. The investigation is happening in absolute full swing, and Republic TV keeps getting our viewers all the top updates. On the other hand, what we're seeing, viewers, right now is that